In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shapes in Google Slides. We'll explore adjusting shape styles and colors, a valuable skill for enhancing your presentations. First, open Google Slides. Navigate to the website and sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once signed in, you'll be on the homepage where you can start a blank presentation or select a template. A blank presentation gives you complete creative freedom. Now, let's insert a shape. Click on Insert in the top menu, then hover over Shape. You'll see categories like shapes, arrows, callouts, and equations. For now, select a basic shape such as a rectangle, circle, or triangle. Click to add it to your slide and drag to define its size and position. You can always resize or move it later. With your shape selected, handles will appear, allowing you to resize by dragging. Next, let's format the shape. Click Format options in the top toolbar. A panel will open on the right, where you can adjust the fill color, and border weight. Experiment with different combinations to match your presentation style. You can also add effects like drop shadows or reflections to make shapes stand out and draw attention to key points. Using gradients in the fill color can create a more dynamic and modern look. Rotating or flipping the shape can also help you create unique designs. Grouping multiple shapes together can make it easier to move and resize complex layouts. You can even layer shapes on top of each other to highlight certain areas of your slide. Another helpful tip is to maintain consistency in shape sizes and colors across your presentation. This ensures a professional and cohesive appearance. Remember to align shapes properly using the grid and snap to guides for a polished layout. You can also duplicate shapes to save time if you need several similar elements. Adding text inside shapes is another way to make information visually clear and engaging for your audience. And that's it. You've learned how to insert, select, and format shapes in Google Slides, along with advanced tips for designing professional slides. These skills will help you create engaging, visually appealing, and effective presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.